My DG, sir, first of all, you are not known for failure. I was a young student in medical school when you were secretary to government. You won't know, but you were a role model, and we were watching from afar, and that love has brought us together. A man that is not known for failure will not fail. Yes. You have not failed the WIKELEAKS people.
At all.
You have been steady. You have demonstrated leadership. I want to beg us for one thing. This man is not following Atiku. He is with Atiku. He is inside. They will not pick the soup and carry plate and say, bring, let's give you. He will be the one to pick the soup. I don't know if you can hear it. And so the man that will be inside, that we not need someone to open the door for him, is that not a man to follow? We are not playing politics to stay in. We are playing politics to bring something home. Follow the man that will bring something home. I want to say clearly that since politics started, Okrika people have always voted in unity. There has been no time when you hear that Okrika is divided. We want to encourage this unity. If you heard our DG yesterday, do not allow the gold of Babylon divide Okrika vote. We will not worship the gold of Nebuchadnezzar.
Yes.
We will not bow to that image that he wants everybody to bow to. We will follow our leaders that are tested and trusted. Because from the beginning, they had a vision for this state. And he wants to live to see that vision fulfilled. For young people here, I come here always. My hospital is in Element. We understand what has happened to our economy since the business of Atiku was crumbled by this evil government. A lot of young people lost their jobs. And we know the effect of that. Are we going to continue like that? A man that will create job will provide food. Anyone that provides food provides life. As a medical doctor, many people that come to the hospital, they are not sick, it's hunger. If you solve the first problem of hunger, you will not see sickness. But you can see that systematically, we have been made to be hungry in a state of plenty. And somebody told me the other day that, if the man said we should not vote Atiku, it means we cannot vote. Is the man? I say, First of all, a man that has kept you hungry, will he tell you something to do against your will? No. Will you obey him? No. A man that has not paid bursary for 7 years, students, will you vote him? No. We built my one market since, so they don't allocate the shop. Market women, will you vote for that person? No. Some of you here are retirees, and you have children who are retirees. They have not gotten their pension, they have not gotten their benefit. So if the Oga Pata in River State now say, make una no vote Atiku, you no go remember saying no pay your people. We have students that were abroad, that were giving scholarship. What we heard that was that there's no money to take care of their scholarship abroad. We have 1 million things to say that will make us not to obey him. I asked, I said, if we keep obeying him, very soon he will tell us when to sleep with our wives. So enough is enough. We will follow our leaders and we will vote Atiku Abubakar. A man who has your interest, a man that will bring development to River State. That is the man we are going to vote. So there is no need to worry. For our brothers that are still on the other side of Jordan, very soon they will cross the river and join us. Or people don't know that they are also suffering.
Suffering and smiling.
So they are looking for a way to escape. But God has given you and me grace, so we have escaped sins. And we are praying that they escape very soon and come and join us. Rivers people, when they say 80%, I was watching and said, where is the other 20% you are sending away? Let me tell you, we have done small analysis. So even though some people are following sin, they are also we vote Atiku. We don't have problem with the sin. The sin was purchased. It's not as if he brought himself. So it's not his fault. And because we are in one party, if at the end of the day, because we are law-abiding, from national they said, everywhere carry go, are we not going to follow party directive? Is party not supreme? Yes. I don't know why the party they supreme some side, no supreme some side. So all of us, we are here for one purpose, and the purpose is to vote Atiku Abubakar, because that's the only way we will recover our own Nigeria. That is the only way Nigeria will come back to the country that we all loved. And for me, I don't need to go and see a juju priest. How do I know that it will be good? Because Chief Dr. Precious Abiesekibo is there. How do I know it will be good? Because Prince Uche Secondus is there. How do I know it will be good? Because the distinguished Senator John Sekibo is there. Why do I need to pay another money to Juju Priest to see whether Atiku will win when Senator Lee Maiba is there? I don't need any person to tell me a peaceful and very wonderful governor God gave to us, if not that he didn't last. His Excellency Sir Celeste Nomea is there. Then you now tell me that after all these people, where sabi book pass, sabi something, don't do politics, one person will come and tell me, hey, that vote for Atiku. It will not work. PDP!
The Okrika nation is behind him by experiment, by history. That is why Atiku will be elected as President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 25th of February 2023. In politics, right from NCNC, it has been noticed, practiced, and written that wherever the Okrika people are, that is where the day comes from. That is where the light of the day comes from. NCNC won because the Okrika people were there. NPN won because the Okrika people are there. NRC the same thing. If it is PDP, PDP was nurtured, incubated by the Okrika nation. Now, why some people are saying that we don't have a candidate? Why some people are saying that we will let you know when the time comes? Because we, the Okrika people, are supporting Atiku as a nation. You cannot break God's purpose. You can take everything, but God has said, anywhere the Okrika people are, that's where I will be. So that's where God is today. God is with Atiku. Therefore, whatever you do, is it money or anything, Atiku is the one God has crowned to be the field marshal of Nigeria, to lead the Nigerians forward 25th February 2023. And the entire Okrika people are with our leader, our chief, to make sure that in Okrika, Atiku is 100%. And in Rivers State, because our leader is the one leading the state, Rivers State will score 80% for Atiku Okowa.